Look at that. Mmm. 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 Hello everyone, what's up? I'm really excited to see you back here on my channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Maidah and I'm the Drunken Chef, and welcome back on my weekly episode of our cooking trips. Do you love food? Do you love eating? Do you love drinking? Or do you love cooking? If that is a yes, you're just right here on this channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet and you like more videos like this, it will be much appreciated if you hit the subscribe button below, followed by the bell notification so you won't miss out. Okay, right, so today's dish is something that I always cook at home, and I really love this dish because it's creamy, it's rich, it's beefy. Beefy? Yeah, beefy. Nah, it's like, I call this dish creamy mushroom beef with broccoli. My family really love this dish, so I just wanted to share this to you guys so you would also enjoy eating this dish. And it's pretty much easy to cook, so yeah, what are we waiting for, guys? Let's dive into today's cooking trip. So right here I've got my beef. I already sliced him and like thinly cut. Of course, we're gonna marinate the beef. I always want my beef or my cookings to be marinated. As you will notice in my previous episodes, it's always marinated. It's just that it's my favorite food. It's flavorful, it's more rich, and it just makes the meat more tender as well. So I've got here soy sauce. Again, I'm gonna post the recipe down below the description if you're interested in this recipe. You have to try it, guys. It's really good. So I've got here the Worcestershire, what do you call this? Worcestershire, whatever sauce is this. It's hard to pronounce, so you'll know it. I have to look up with the pronunciation, so add it up. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of cooking oil, and of course salt. Peppers, sorry. So add a lot of peppers, then a little bit of salt. Here we go, and just mix our marination, our beef. So again, guys, I usually marinate my meat overnight because it's really better and mix it very well. And while our beef is marinating, we're just gonna jump into our vegetables. So right, guys, I prepared my mushrooms. I've got here my broccoli, and I've got here my onions and garlic. And so let's cook up this food here at the back. So first things first, guys, we're gonna cook our vegetables. We're gonna saute the onions, garlic with the mushrooms and the broccoli. And deglaze it or finish it with some white wine. White wine is optional, or any cooking wine would do. It just gives depth of flavor. So let's cook it. And from there, guys, we're just gonna add some peppers and some salt. And now we're gonna add our broccoli. Now this is ready. I don't need to fully cook the broccoli because otherwise it's just gonna overcook. Now I'm changing my pot and I'm gonna cook my beef in this pot and set aside my vegetables here. So let's dive into our cooking our beef. Now I just added my cream and then wait for it to simmer, and later on we're just gonna add these vegetables into our beef. Look at that sexy and beautiful plate. Look at that. It's simple, but I know it's delicious. Hopefully, let's have a try. You know the drill. We have to try it first before, you know, you give it to your family. So let's have a try. Some beef, some mushroom in there. Look at that. Beef is tender. You can taste the marination from the beef, the soy sauce, the creaminess. It's really, really good. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Boom. It is well seasoned. It is perfect for dinner, for lunch, or even breakfast if you want to, because why not? But the flavors are amazing. If you added the cooking wine, it's gonna change everything. It's a game changer. Adding cooking wine in your stew or you're deglazing it, it's awesome. It's really, really good. It's so good. I mean, I'm not saying it because I cook it, but I know I always say really good because, come on guys, I love food, so whatever it is, if it's cooked good, if it's cooked nicely, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, you know? I can't stop eating, guys, again and again. Always can't stop eating.